I'm here in Hall 5 on our booth of team cutting tools of Ceratizit. I'm very much excited to see how this team developed during the last 50 months. We can now present ourselves as a full range supplier in the field of CNC metal cutting, and I think that is outstanding in our industry. Nobody can follow us with the idea of having the knowledge and competence of a manufacturer with a strong R&D and fulfill any demand of our customers in this field of metal cutting. So visit us in Hall 5 and see our development, free turn live on the machine. We will welcome you.